Oftentimes we find ourselves checking a list for some condition and then appending those items to a new list. To do this, we use a loop, a condition, and an output expression. But we can do this more Pythonically with a list comprehension. A list comprehension lets us create a new list quickly and easily, usually from other iterables. We can boil down multiple lines of code into single-line list comprehensions. Let's say we want the squares of even numbers from 1 to 10. If we were to go the traditional path, we'd start by creating an empty list. In the loop, we'd have a range of 1 to 11, 11 because the ending value is exclusive. And then we'd use an if statement with a modulo operator to determine whether the number is even, and if so, append the squared result to our new list. We can print the new list to the console to see the result. Now let's do it with a list comprehension. In this case, we'll start with our new list as our variable, and within square brackets, assign the squared output expression, then the loop, and end with our condition to check if the number in the range was even. We can print the resulting list to the console, and see we get the same result as before. List comprehensions also allow line breaks for improved readability, or you can use a single line. What about cases where we don't have a condition, like if we wanted to square all of those numbers from 1 to 10 rather than only the even ones? We can simply remove the if condition from our list comprehension, and now we can see that our resulting list contains the squares of all values 1 through 10, not just of the even numbers. And of course, you can use any number of different expressions with list comprehensions. It's not limited to numerical expressions. Want to capitalize the first letter of each string in a list? You can do that too. For more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to the PyPros channel.